In Southeast Asia, women are surrounded by societal expectations on how they should live their lives.
Karena sebagai perempuan yang juga aku dituntut untuk menjadi atasan, istri, ibu.
Seolah-olah kita itu memiliki kodrat, kita itu baru bisa layak dan berharga jika ada yang mau melamar kita dan menjadikan kita itu istri.
From appearances to family to professional life, these narrow expectations become internalized and drive the way we search. How do we change this conversation and help women to start tuning into their own real voices? Google presents Search for Change. We found Indonesian and Vietnamese women with a personal story about internalized societal expectations, from trying to look the right way to aspiring for a traditional family to being torn between career and home. All 6 women shared how in the past, societal voices made them question themselves. But they also shared how they stopped searching for what the society expected.
Terus gue sadar semua tuntutan itu ya bukan gue. Gue tuh gak harus selalu ngikutin apa kata orang kok. Dan sekarang, apa yang gue cari juga udah berubah jadinya.
And how they started searching for their own path.
Saya sayang sama anak saya cuma berharap dia bisa menjadi manusia yang bahagia tanpa harus malu dengan segala yang dikatakan orang.
Their stories were launched on the International Women's Day and were shared with influencers who then shared their own experiences of overcoming internalized societal expectations. We also created a user-generated activation that allowed them to share what I used to Google versus what I Google now to show how their mindsets have shifted. Search for Change took many shapes and forms in uniting women across Indonesia and Vietnam around one universal insight. There's no one right way to be a woman. It was clear it was time to call out the age-old expectations and talk about how we can instead search for what empowers us, what makes us brave, independent, and happy.
Saya berhenti mencari bagaimana seharusnya seorang ibu. Dan saya mencari jalan sendiri menjadi seorang ibu versi saya.